In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review app integrations for clients in QuickBooks Accountant using the current desktop interface. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to see which apps are connected to a client's books and how to confirm whether those connections are active. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Accountant account. Make sure you're using the current desktop interface and that you have the appropriate access for the client you're reviewing. A quick tip before you begin. Having the latest updates installed and closing any extra company files will help everything load quickly and reduce confusion as you switch between areas. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Your Practice and click Clients. This is your central hub for client management. If your screen has multiple panels, take a moment to ensure you're viewing the practice area rather than a specific company file. Keeping an eye on the header or breadcrumb trail can help you confirm you're in the right place. Next, select the client or contact name you want to review. This opens that client's workspace, where you can access tools and settings specific to their books. It's a good habit to double-check that you've selected the correct client, especially if you manage a large list, so your review reflects the right company data. Inside the client workspace, find the section labeled Your Books and click Apps. This is where QuickBooks organizes all third-party connections linked to the client's books. Think of this page as the dashboard for integrations. Everything from data import tools to reporting add-ons can appear here. Now, review the list of connected apps. You'll typically see app names and providers, and often indicators that hint at sync behavior or connection health. As you scan the list, pay attention to anything that looks unfamiliar or redundant. This quick pass helps you spot potential overlaps and understand how the client's ecosystem is set up. Click any app to view its connection details. The Details page usually outlines what data the app can access, what it sends back to QuickBooks, and other helpful information such as sync history or permissions. Use this to understand the scope of the integration and to confirm it aligns with the client's workflow and compliance needs. Finally, check the status to confirm whether the app is active or disconnected. An active status means the connection is currently in place. Disconnected indicates it's not linking data at the moment. Knowing this at a glance helps you identify which integrations are functioning as intended. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.